Morning, folks. NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear with you this morning once more, and this is round 2 this week of our Newfoundland and Labrador weather briefing. This is for July 22nd, 2014, as of 9 a.m. Newfoundland Daylight Time. We'll start today, like yesterday, looking at some webcams. These are in no particular order. Looks like in Corner Brook right now, not too bad. Some sunshine over downtown St. John's. We're also looking good right now, a good deal of sun as we look over Mile 1 Center. Into Gander looks like a bit of high cloud, but some blue sky sort of peeking through there. A nice morning. Into Goose Bay, it's sunny, but that's not going to last. Some showers are on the way. In Grand Bank, also looking good this morning. A bit of a high overcast. Beautiful start to the day, though. In Springdale, we're looking nice and sunny this morning on the northern coastline of Newfoundland, on the southern shoreline of the Avalon, down in Trepassey, looking good this morning as well, nice and green, nice and blue. Into Wabush, though, we are seeing some rain, and that is sort of what's working its way through Labrador right now, and we're back to where we started, sort of in Corner Brook. So we'll take a look at satellite radar picture, and you can see that across Newfoundland, things are pretty quiet. Just a couple of clouds trying to skirt on through for the most part, though. Looks like it is going to be generally a sunny day. Into Labrador, some thicker white clouds are showing up. That's the rain. That's going to work from west to east across Labrador throughout the day. So areas like Happy Valley, Goose Bay, and Cartwright are sunny this morning, but as expected, we'll see the clouds increasing as we head on through the afternoon. So just sort of keep that in mind. If your plans take you outdoors into Labrador, it also looks like we might see some showers later today on the northern peninsula and the west coast of Newfoundland. This is the RAP model. It's from the U.S. National Weather Service, or actually NOAA. It's a product they put out. Basically, it's just a short-range radar. Since there's no radar in Labrador, we can actually see what a computer-generated radar would look like. And as we step back a bit here, this is as of 12 o'clock UTC, which is 9:30 Newfoundland Daylight Time. So as we go into 10 and 11 o'clock in the morning, you'll see those showers working through Labrador. This is as of 4 o'clock, so that's 1:30. This is 4 o'clock UTC, so this is now 1:30 Newfoundland time. We can see the showers and possibly even a couple of thunder showers moving toward Happy Valley, Goose Bay. And as we progress into that's 8 o'clock UTC, so that's going to be 5:30 Newfoundland time. We can see the showers working toward the Labrador coastline, and they will continue to do so as we step into this evening. And as of 9:30 Newfoundland time this evening, we will see some showers trying to move into the west coast, and those showers will actually try and push across the island overnight tonight, and tomorrow looks like we actually may be seeing some showers across eastern and northeastern Newfoundland through the morning. I think they wind down in the afternoon, but we'll touch on that in just a bit. But today is looking very good. We're off to a great start here. Temperatures courtesy of Wondergrounds Wonder Map. Once again, I absolutely love this website. It's really, really nice for showing all sorts of temperatures. So as we look across the Avalon, we're already off to a warm start again. In St. John's, generally temperatures are in the lower 20s. Today we should top out in the middle to upper 20s, although I'm thinking 26, 27 degrees at a max today. We shouldn't be near 30 like we were yesterday. A bit cooler this morning as we look down toward Cape Race and Cape Pine. Into Burin, it's 18 degrees right now. St. Pierre, it's 18. Harbor Breton, we're close to there, looking at 14 degrees. 19 in Deer Lake, 21 already in Rogers Cove. That was one of the warmer spots yesterday, although the warmest spot yesterday was Terra Nova National Park, getting to 32 degrees. Wow, was it a warm one yesterday. Into Labrador, temperatures generally in the teens and 20s, and as we go through the day, for the most part, that's where they are going to stay. As far as high temperatures go across Newfoundland today, here's what it looks like. These orange colors here are temperatures in the 28 to 30 range, so along the northeast coast of Newfoundland, that's where the warmest temperatures are going to be. Across the Avalon, looking at mid-20s once more today, a bit cooler as we get down toward the southern part of the Avalon because of the onshore flow. And same thing across much of the Burin Peninsula and the south coast and the west coast. Temperatures there just a bit cooler because winds are from the southwest, and that is generally a cooling wind direction for areas closer to the water on the south and western sides of the island. Into Labrador today, temperatures again are going to top out in the teens and 20s. Looks like a warm pocket there down toward the southeastern corner of Labrador, but we'll watch that rain working from west to east today across Labrador. Generally about 5 to 10 millimeters of rainfall expected today. You can see it right there. It looks like it holds off longest across extreme southeastern Labrador, but for the most part, not a whole lot of rainfall expected, although a bit of a bullseye showing up here just south of the Happy Valley Goose Bay, Upper Lake Melville area, and that might just be the model seeing the potential for some thunderstorms this afternoon out that way. So just sort of keep that in mind if you're going to be into Labrador today, possibly some thunderstorms. We're going to keep a close eye on that as we go into the afternoon with the lightning detectors that Environment Canada has. Now, as far as computer models go, this is the GFS from Weather Bell, and this is in the middle of the night. So we'll start to you at 9:30 Newfoundland time. What this model is showing is precipitation here. The darker the color, the more there's going to be. So that's roughly about a ½ inch, so about 12 millimeters or so in the last 6 hours into southern Labrador between, what would that be, 2:30 in the afternoon and 9:30 in the evening, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6. Yeah, 6 hours. I can do math pretty good. I make myself laugh sometimes. So we step into the overnight, and this is as of 9:30 in the morning, and we can see just some light showers across the island tomorrow. Looks like more showers arriving into Labrador by the afternoon as another low pushes in. That looks like it could bring some more sort of steady rain to Labrador West Wednesday afternoon, and it looks like Wednesday early afternoon, we're still dealing with some of those leftover showers across the Avalon. Those wind down by the later afternoon. So yes, looks like some showers in the morning tomorrow. Not going to be the nicest day, but I don't think it's going to be a total washout either, nor will it bring the amount of rain that we actually need. And then through Labrador tomorrow, looks like another low works from west to east, so that's going to bring some more rain, possibly even a couple of thunderstorms. And then as we step into Thursday, and Friday, this is as of Friday morning now. Thursday looks like a quiet day for most of the province. This is as of Friday morning. An area of low pressure, sort of a broad one, you can see it right here with the isobars or lines of constant pressure, is working its way through Nova Scotia. And this low, there is some disagreement in where it's going to track. This model, the GFS, has it going sort of toward the west coast of Newfoundland. The European model, which I can't show you, which is far superior in the 84-hour time frame, which is where we're to right now, has that low considerably farther east, sort of bringing the heaviest rain across eastern Newfoundland Friday night into early Saturday morning. Either way, it looks like some part of the island is going to see some very beneficial rainfall in the Thursday night to Saturday morning time frame, just depending on the overall track. So that's something I'm going to watch as we head into the end of the week. As of right now, though, it looks like that clears out for Saturday morning. And Sunday, we've got the Telly 10, and that looks like it should be a nice day for that, with a good deal of sunshine across the Avalon Peninsula. And let's see if I can go to this next map here for you. And this map, what is this showing, you ask? This is showing what's called precipitable water. Sounds technical, but basically where the brighter colors are is where it's going to feel really humid. Simple as that. Notice across Newfoundland, this is as of this morning, sort of these blue colors. Well, air is dry. That's part of the reason it was so warm yesterday. But watch what happens as we go into the day on Wednesday. This is Wednesday afternoon, and you can see we've got this yellow color here, which is basically showing more than 20 millimeters of water in the atmosphere above our heads. If you rang it all out, there'd be 20 millimeters or so of water. What does that mean? It means it's going to feel very sticky beginning Wednesday, and it looks like continuing into Thursday and even lingering into Friday before it looks like the humidity finally breaks at some point Saturday. So what does that mean for us? Well, it means it's going to feel very humid across much of the island for the middle and end of our work week and start of the weekend, and also the flow remains southwesterly, so I think areas along the south coast of Newfoundland, the entire southern shoreline, maybe into the fog once more, if not Wednesday, then it looks like for sure on Thursday. So that was your Newfoundland weather briefing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I will see you tonight on the NTV Evening News Hour at 6 o'clock in First Edition. That's going to be with Jody Cook, I believe, starting at 5:30. And you can catch me on Twitter at Eddie Shear. Updates are posted pretty frequently there, or on Facebook, meteorologist Eddie Shear. Updates are there, but they're usually longer and not quite as frequent, but just as informative. Have a great day. I will see you tonight.